Tips: make sure that there is no connection between gauge and any pressure source before the resetting. At atmospheric pressure, long press 0, calibration range, 1 to 100 psi. Calibrate the pressure sensor before each measurement. Long press 0 and down together, then short press up or down to switch the refrigerant type. Long press mode, start setting mode. Short press S up or down to set the value. Short press mode to switch settings. Long press mode to exit setting mode. 1. Open the app Elitech Tools, click the menu icon in the upper left corner of the homepage. 2. Click Login. 3. Choose Register Now and set your account information. 1. Click the button, the Bluetooth icon flashes. 2. Click on Search Nearby Device on App, Connected. OTA Upgrade. 1. If it is not the latest version, the device will enter the upgrade process and the interface will display Update. 2. Or manually click on Settings to select Firmware Update. DIY your refrigerant list. Remove equipment refrigerant. 1. Click on the refrigerant icon in the upper right corner. 2. Select the refrigerant types that needs to be deleted, click the delete icon. 3. Click on the update icon in the upper right corner to save your setting. DIY your refrigerant list. Add equipment refrigerant. 1. Click All, select the refrigerant you need to add, and click the favorite icon. 2. After making your selections, click Favorites and then click the update icon. Enter the measured temperature value and the overheat and undercooling will be automatically calculated.